I want to tell you all about our upcoming autumn knit along, which is the Saoirse Sweater and Vest. This is all about mods. This knit along is going to be showing you how you take a pattern that comes in a couple of different versions, how you can add the kind of waist shaping you want, the edging you want, and even the neck shaping. So you can see that I've already begun with two different versions. So it's a top-down raglan sweater where we've got a ripple pattern and then garter stitch panels where on each side are in between the raglan shoulder shaping. Now with the vest, this is going to finish sooner and leave it open for here. This version shows it going straight down with no waist shaping. This one here, I've got a little bit of waist shaping where it comes in slightly and comes out. Got I-cord bind off here, an Icelandic bind off on this, cowl neck on this version, and a circular neck or a crew neck version of this. So each of these can be interchangeable with each other, and in addition to that we've got a big variety of yarn types that we're using. They all knit the same gauge, but they have completely different styles or feels to them. Over here we have Cumulus, which is a heavy lace weight that is happy to be knit very loosely. It's a brushed alpaca and silk, so very, very soft, fantastic for anyone who may perhaps be allergic to a brushed mohair, because it is very, very comfortable to wear. And that's going to give you a very light, open, airy, but still warm sweater. This is our perennial favorite. It's our newer worsted, and it's a mix of merino, yak and linen. It's a worsted spun and it's not superwash, so it's got it knits nicely, it holds its shape, but it does have a little bit more weight, more density to it, but lovely stitch definition as you're knitting up with it, and these stitch patterns turn out really nicely on it. The third version for the yarn we're going to have will be Blosta. This is also one of our yarn, and this is a woolen spun yarn, which means there's a lot of air trapped in it, making it very light, fluffy, and just a dream to wear afterwards. So it's going to be a very cost-effective version, and it'll make for a very lightweight but warm sweater when you're finished. So I do hope this autumn you come on in with us and you learn all about these sweaters. We're going to have step-by-step videos all of the way through our knit along. Each clue comes out and there's going to be a video support that goes with that. If you haven't done it before, then you're in for a total treat. It is really cost effective, because if you join over the duration of the actual knit along, you will get the video workshops for free with the actual pattern. When it's complete, when the pattern's complete, then that video workshop is sold separately. But if you have bought the pattern during the duration of the knit along, you get those videos to keep forever just for you. So don't miss out and come join in this autumn knit along.